Long-distance drones are renowned for their long-lasting battery power and their ability to fly into the distant horizon well beyond the drone pilot's field of view. The maximum flying range is a critical need for many drone flyers. Some need the long-range FPV drones to do specific tasks for their jobs, and some need long-distance drones because, well, that's just great. Drone with long ranges allows you to explore the far unknown places no one has ever been before. Thanks to the long-range FPV quadcopter drones. After our years of flying experience, Team Shopping Cormer has created the list of longest-range drones with a camera. Number 1. DJI Inspire 2. DJI Inspire 2 is the most powerful quadcopter ever. For around $3,299, the Inspire 2 is a relatively expensive professional drone. But this drone is an excellent choice for those with a large budget to spare the purchase of a drone. It is one of the leading cinema drones with the longest distance available on the market. Due to its price, the Inspire 2 is still mostly bought by professional photographers because it is currently the best aerial photography drone. The body of the drone is made up of an alloy of magnesium and aluminum. It comes with a controller which is easy to use. The Inspire 2 can fly up to 7 kilometers away, approximately 5,000 meters above the sea level. DJI Inspire 2 is undoubtedly one of the best long-flying drones around the world. Besides the breathtaking super long-range flying capabilities, it can fly for almost half an hour. It is a professional drone that can reach a top speed of 108 km per hour, 67 miles, and go from 0 to 80 km per hour, 50 miles, in just 4 seconds. The stabilization of this beast is merely supernatural. The drone is capable of providing stunning footage, no matter the weather conditions. With an integrated HD video transmission system and a 4K camera capable of rotating 360 degrees, the DJI Inspire 2 will be one of the most powerful cinema tools in your backpack. One of the significant advantages of this Inspire 2 is its compatibility with the new Zenmuse X4S and X5S cameras. The DJI Zenmuse X4S is composed of a 20MP 1-inch sensor. New DJI X5S Zenmuse has a micro Four Thirds sensor with 20.8 MP. The X5S Zenmuse camera is compatible with 10 lenses, including wide-angle to zoom. The obstacle avoidance sensor redundancy will come in handy. It also has stereo optical sensors on the front and infrared sensors on the top of the drone, which help protect it when flying in restricted space. Number 2. DJI Mavic Pro. The DJI Mavic Pro drone is a rather compact but powerful drone that turns the sky into a playground quickly and turns your every flight into a memorable moment. It can fold down and easily fits into your pocket, which means this sturdy mini compact quadcopter drone can go with you almost anywhere you can imagine. With its 27-minute flight time, the DJI Mavic Pro also has a 7,000 meters, 4.35 miles, transmission range that allows you to take full advantage of the active runway and tap fly features. It has a top speed of 64 kilometers, 40 miles, per hour. This long-range drone sets itself apart from its main competitors by its more affordable price. Mavic Pro is ideal for travelers and vloggers who need to carry the Mavic in their backpack and are limited in place. The onboard features will allow you to shoot professional-looking pictures without much experience or effort. You can buy this DJI drone for $1,000. The mini size of Mavic hides various cool features that make it one of the most sophisticated DJI drones. The DJI Mavic Pro has an excellent camera that shoots high-quality images and videos using the 3-axis gimbal. The Mavic is the only drone of its size to feature a built-in, high-precision 3-axis automated camera stabilization system. It gives you clear photos and smooth videos without losing a single pixel. The DJI Mavic Pro has skillful, reliable, and intuitive flight modes that let you take photos and videos just the way you want. The fantastic Follow Me mode allows the drone to follow and shots you automatically. Avoid sport mode if you are not in a well-opened environment. Otherwise, you may regret it, the drone will become much more nervous, and some safety devices are disabled. DJI Mavic Pro Platinum is the second longest distance drone under $1,000. The remote control is easy to use, efficient, comfortable, robust. It is ideal for use with a smartphone-type phone via the DJI Go application. The LCD screen is a big plus over the DJI Phantom. DJI also offers Fly More bundle that comes with 3 batteries, as each battery offering 27 minutes of flying, so you can fly this drone for around 1.5 hours. Number 3. DJI Phantom 4 Pro. The Phantom 4 is another long-range camera drone from DJI loaded with top-notch GPS technology and features. The DJI Phantom 4 is one of the smoothest and easiest to control drones on the market. The DJI Phantom 4 has a control range of around 5,000 meters, 3.1 miles. The price is around $1,400 to $1,800 depends on variations. Check variations. In addition, the range of the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 announced by DJI is 8 kilometers, 5 miles, but it seems that the drone cannot really reach this range. For the rest, the potential of the drone is comparable to what does best high-end drones. The top speed is about 72 km per hour, 45 miles, resistance to winds of more than 50 km per hour, 31 miles. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro features a 20MP 4K camera stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal, allowing you to take photos and videos even at high speeds. It records 4K Ultra HD 60 frames per second videos and is capable of capturing a wide field of view. Therefore, it produces truly sharp and impressive images. It manages to take smooth and clear pictures during the flight of the drone through the air. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro is easy to fly and a concentrate of state-of-the-art technology. Thanks to DJI's signature technologies like Return to Home, Gesture and Tap Fly mode. In addition to these features, the drone offers a choice between several additional flight modes, including Air Selfie, Tripod, and Gesture modes. The latter uses a gesture recognition system. Taking photos has never been easier. Furthermore, this long-range UAV can fly up to 5 kilometers away from its controller. Thanks to Lightbridge, the DJI's transmission system, which is significantly more reliable than the Wi-Fi used by other drones of the same brand. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro remote control has a mobile holder so you can attach your smartphone or tablet directly to the remote control. You will be sure that you will have plenty of filming and photography time during the flight. In terms of flight time, the Phantom 4 Pro is equipped with a 5,870 mAh LiPo battery, ensuring a flight time of 30 minutes announced by DJI. However, the actual flying time of the drone does not exceed 27 minutes, which is correct. Number 4. DJI Spark. The Spark is a mini drone equipped with all the advanced features offered by DJI. In terms of looks, the Spark looks like the DJI Mavic Pro in a miniature version and with fixed arms. Thanks to excellent flight modes and a camera with unbelievable image quality, Spark lets you push your creative limits. The DJI Spark is also a long-distance explorer. It can fly up to 2 kilometers, 1.2 miles away, depending on possible interference. The control of this drone is super easy. Capture amazing aerial selfies using just hand gestures without remote control or smartphone. The DJI Spark takes off from your hand, quick launch feature, by recognizing your face, face-aware mode. It takes off and goes into position a few seconds after power-up. Spark also offers excellent smart features, including obstacle detection, GPS, and gesture control. It can recognize gestures of the hands and treat them as commands. The DJI Go 4 app offers easy-to-edit and share options. It has auto-edit templates and a variety of filters. You can edit your videos and share them directly on social networks in no time. Number 5. Parrot Bebop 2. The Parrot Bebop 2 drone is compact enough to fit in your backpack. This low-cost recreational drone is a competitor of high-end drones by DJI. It plays the seduction card with an attractive technical performance at an affordable price, which should delight beginners. It is robust and the ideal quadcopter for travelers looking to take the best and most exciting travel videos and photos. The Parrot Bebop 2 drone flies with excellent flight stability. It is the perfect drone for flying indoors and outdoors, while piloted by a Bluetooth controller. The flight time is 25 minutes, and a range of 2,000 meters, 1.2 miles. The maximum flying speed of this cheap long-distance drone is 65 kilometers per hour. It has 8 GB of built-in memory, 180 degrees wide-angle lens, Full HD 14MP camera. It is the best drone you can buy for under $300 and is the perfect quadcopter for those looking for a traveling drone that can produce high-quality images and videos. The drone allows us to share videos and photos easily. The drone uses a software system that stabilizes the image digitally. Although the fisheye camera, despite its software stabilization, tends to create distortion, leading to a loss of details in both photos and videos.